Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make Sorakai Kuttu or bottle goat kuttu. Kuttu is a South Indian recipe made with lentils, vegetables, herbs and some spices. Kuttu is very simple, easy to prepare and it's really healthy to eat. You can have this kuttu with rice or rotis, so let's learn how to make this. To make this, we need 1 onion, 1 tomato, 2 green chilies, salt, surakai or bottle gourd. I'm going to use tur dal for this recipe. So we need 2/3 cup of tur dal, 4 red chilies, oil and some spices, and we need some grated coconut. Wash and cut the onion and the tomato. You can peel the skin, scoop out the seeds and chop the bottle gourd into pieces and keep. If you have curry leaves, you can add them, and we are going to use half cup of grated coconut. We are going to grind coconut, jeera and green chilies for this recipe. Let's start the cooking. Switch on the stove on medium flame and in a pressure cooker, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, you can add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, little bit of hing, half teaspoon of jeera and a little bit of turmeric powder. Tilt the pan so the spices will be evenly heated, and then you can add 4 red chilies to this. If you have curry leaves, you can toss them to this now. You can add the cut onions to this and then cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Once the onions are cooked for 3 to 5 minutes, you can add the tomatoes to this. Cook the tomatoes until it becomes mushy. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to this, or you can add salt according to your taste and stir it well. Add 2/3 cup of tur dal to this and then add 2 cups of water so we can pressure cook the dal. I am using tur dal today. You can use moong dal or chana dal for this recipe also. Close the pressure cooker with the lid and cook for 3 to 4 whistles. In the meantime, you can grind half cup of coconut, 1 teaspoon of jeera and 2 green chilies and keep. After 4 whistles, making sure the pressure is fully released, you can open the pressure cooker. See how nicely the dal is cooked. Now you can add the sorakai or bottle gourd to this and cook for 7 to 8 minutes or until the bottle gourd is cooked nicely. Add the coconut mixture at the end and cook for 3 minutes. This recipe turns out so tasty. I'm sure you're going to love this. After cooking for 3 minutes with the coconut mixture, you can switch off the stove. See how nicely the bottle gourd kuttu is done. My mouth is already watering. Your world famous Sorakai kuttu or bottle gourd kuttu from the Puliadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. Have this with rice or rotis and enjoy with your family. Thank you.